Ever seen art so raw and unfiltered it feels like a mirror staring back at you? Stick around, because we're about to dive into one of the most groundbreaking artists of our time. Jenny Saville burst onto the scene in the 90s as part of the Young British Artists, a group known for pushing boundaries and shocking audiences. While others focused on shock value, Saville took a different approach. She turned the nude into a powerful statement about identity, vulnerability, and the human experience. Unlike traditional nudes, Saville's works don't idealize the body. She celebrates imperfections, stretch marks, folds, scars. Her canvases are huge, in your face, demanding your attention. They make you confront what it really means to be human. Saville's technique is incredible. Look at her brushstrokes. They're chaotic yet precise, layering thick paint to mimic the texture of flesh. And her use of color is amazing. She turns the body into a landscape, blurring the lines between abstraction and realism. And her canvases are massive, some as big as a wall. They force you to stand up close and really confront these bodies. It's not just about size, it's about impact. You can't look away. Saville's work is all about identity and the human experience. Take Plan, for example. It shows surgical lines mapped onto a body, a reminder of society's obsession with altering appearances. It's a powerful commentary on how we view and fix ourselves. In Propped, we see a woman sitting, gazing back at us. The inscription reads, "If we continue to speak in this sameness, speak as men have spoken for centuries, we will fail each other." This piece is about the body, feminism, self-reflection, and breaking free from societal molds. Saville's paintings don't just show the body, they reveal it. They force us to confront vulnerability, strength, and the stories etched into our skin. So here's the question: how do these works make you feel? Are they beautiful, unsettling, or something else entirely? Drop your thoughts in the comments. I'd love to hear how Saville's art speaks to you. Traditional nudes often idealize the body. Saville's nudes, in contrast, feel real, raw, and painfully human. Which one feels more relatable to you? One of her most iconic works, Fulcrum, shows a tangle of bodies, distorted yet powerful. The sheer scale of the piece, combined with its brutal honesty, creates a visceral reaction. It's almost as if you can feel the weight, the pressure, and the humanity of these figures. This is Saville at her best, forcing us to see not just flesh, but life, struggle, and resilience. Jenny Saville redefines beauty, not as perfection, but as truth. Her paintings remind us that every scar, every fold, every imperfection tells a story. So what about you? Has her art changed the way you see yourself or others? Let me know in the comments. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more deep dives into the art that shapes our world. Who should we explore next? Let me know.